One hand is 4 inches, while 1 foot is 12 inches. How many hands are there in 6 1/2 feet? Okay, so just a simple conversion. So we have one hand. So one hand is equal to 4 inches. And then we have 1 foot. So 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So the question is, how many hands are there in 6 1/2 feet? 6 1/2 feet is equal to blank hands. Okay, so let's just multiply this to our conversion. So we have 6 1/2 feet. So 6 1/2 feet, we need to multiply by the conversion of hands to feet. So we have hands to feet. So we have one hand is equal to 12 inches. So we can multiply this first conversion of foot to inches. Okay? So multiply, we need to cancel the feet. So we will put feet in the denominator, inches in the numerator. So the conversion is 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So we can now cancel the feet. Now, multiply by the conversion of hands to inches. Okay, so we have one hand equals 4 inches. We want to cancel the inches. So we put the inches in the denominator and then the hands in the numerator. So what is the conversion? 4 inches. So put 4 in the denominator and 1 in the numerator. So cancel the inches. And then multiply the remaining numbers here. So we have 6 1/2 multiply to 12 inches and then divided by 4. Okay, so that is the unit now is equal to hands. So we can divide this first 12 divided by 4. That is equal to 3. And then we have 6 1/2 times 3. We can convert 1/2 in decimal. The 1/2 is equal to 0.5. So therefore, we have 6.5 times 3. And then let's do this manually. Okay, so 6.5 times 3. We have 3 times 5. We have 15. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1. We have 19. One decimal place. So therefore, the answer is 19.5 hands. So the correct answer is letter B. Follow me for more content like this.